If you've been watching our videos for very long, you know how much we love really well-designed RV gear. Our Viair compressor is a prime example, which is why you've seen us feature it in several of our videos. Not only does it easily fill our high-pressure tires, but we also use it to blow out our plumbing system when we occasionally travel away from the RV during the winter. As the summer season winds down, it's getting close to that time again. We prefer using compressed air rather than filling our plumbing with antifreeze, partly because there aren't any steps needed to de-winterize. Since there's nothing in the water lines, we can just fill our fresh tank when we get back to the RV and get right back on the road. In case you're wondering if this little compressor is powerful enough to blow the water lines out completely, I always forget how heavy this thing is. We can tell you from personal experience that it's got more than enough pressure and volume to do the job. And besides taking up less space, which is an important benefit for us full-timers, it actually has an advantage over typical air compressors, especially when it comes to winterizing. Because there's no tank, there's nowhere for moisture, oil, or debris to accumulate, so there's no chance of blowing those contaminants into your drinking water lines. It even has its own built-in filter to keep dust and debris out. We'll put a link to our step-by-step DIY video about winterizing RV water lines down below. Apparently, Viair saw that video, where we showed how we assembled the parts needed to connect our compressor to our plumbing system. So now, they've made it even easier by creating their own winterizing kit, with everything you need all in one package. It includes a blowout plug, an adjustable pressure regulator, and male and female quick connects. So just in time to prepare your RV's water system to safely make it through a freezing winter, we're excited to announce that one of you will be winning both a Viair winterizing kit and a Viair 400p RV compressor like ours in our latest RVgeeks giveaway. On Sunday, September 23rd, 2018, we'll draw the name of one lucky person at random, and they'll win both the compressor and the winterizing kit. This is the same compressor we've used for years, and we absolutely love it. And we know the winner will love theirs too. It's not a cheap prize, but based on the string of 5-star Amazon reviews, we know that lots of people think the same way we do, that this is a prime example of getting what you pay for. It's the best compressor we've ever used. If you're already watching this video embedded in the post on our website, scroll down the page to enter for your chance to win. If you're watching this on YouTube, visit the RVgeeks.com to enter. We'll include a link to the post with the entry form down below in the video description. If you're watching this video after the drawing is ended, we're guessing that you missed it because you haven't subscribed to our website or channel yet. So now might be a good time to do that to make sure you'll know the next time we give away another great prize. And on YouTube, don't forget to turn on channel notifications. We'll include links to both the compressor and the winterizing kit down below in case you want to buy one for your RV. We'd also like to take a minute to thank those of you who've joined us on Patreon for your support. We have exclusive content there, so if you haven't already checked it out, visit patreon.com/RVgeeks to see what's happening. Even modest support helps us continue making videos and give away great gear like our Viair. The names you're seeing here are the special supporters who really help make all this possible, so an extra special thanks to them. You can find out how to get your name in the credits too over on our Patreon page. If you like this video, we'd appreciate it if you'd consider giving it a thumbs up. Best of luck in the giveaway, and as always, safe travels and thanks for watching. But we also use it to blow out our plumbing system when we occasionally... If you're watching this video, I have never heard so much traffic in my life. Not every campground is this noisy. If you're thinking about RVing and you think it's too noisy out there because of this, it's not true. We just needed to shoot this today. Here we are. Even if you didn't like this video or don't like winning cool stuff, subscribe anyway. It's free, who cares?